He put the enemy out. And he gave you power to overcome your old human nature. So you could live holy now. You could live purposefully now. You could live righteously now. You can do right by everybody you interact with. No exceptions. Family members, friends, so-called friends, associates, strangers, and even your enemies. You can respond to their cursing you and their insulting you the way God wants you to respond. When Jesus was insulted, when he was reviled, he didn't revile in return.